Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng bapet ia ketenat law but justice ukiran Rijiju ula Iaroh ia ke NPP ke balong ke seng ke balam khmat ia ke Sorkar MDA Meghalaya da ke boong bakalale shibun ki kam ki babha ha ke jela. Haba keren bat kilat patai kubor hasilong mentakesngi ula ong ba yakini ki kam babha endang la ban le bha shushu la da ke seng BJP ke yo ban binta ke bakham he ha ke Sorkar. Ulapan pau baha kanu ke jela besinsyar ke seng BJP ne ha ka ba ke seng BJP ke yo ya ke binta ke bakham he ha ke Sorkar ki briu ki kham yo bun ki jing mentoy namar ba ke BJP ke don bet tang ke we ke jing temu bat kata ke long ban syakri na ke binta ki briu haba pen pau ba ke BJP ke trekam ha ke mission mode Rijiju la ngau ba ke Meghalaya ke don kam ban yo khambun ki MLA na ke seng BJP. Hakaway pat kaliang Rijiju syam la ai kinu ki jingkin tho hakabaya day bat ka jingdawa ban pentray kam ya ka line permit ha Meghalaya da ka boong bayakani ka don kam ka jingya tai ka bajanai bat ka jingya peliu jingmon habaya day pat ka Citizenship Amendment Act ula ong ba la ban pentray kam ya ka CAA namar ka jingwan jong ka klam bat ka tanat ki kampo yeng ka danghap ban kmi ya bun ki benta hakabaya day bat kani.
Meghalaya people have voted for the NDA led by the NPP, or Conrad Sangma's party. They are doing good job, but I wish BJP has a more role in the government, because more role of BJP will bring more development and more benefits to the people. The issues about each state is different from the other. The local demands, the issues raised by the local people here, it has its own relevance and importance, and government has to take a collective decision taking into account the larger interests of everyone. I cannot comment on any specific thing because it requires larger deliberation and as well as consultation.
UMLA nakaseng